jellyfish, and a large walk-through tunnel for underwater views. Galveston is an island city on the Gulf of Mexico, with about 32 miles of shoreline. On science and technology exhibits. Galveston is known for its beaches, Victorian architecture, and rich maritime history. At far end is the blue Aquarium pyramid. Features touch tanks, penguins, sharks, jellyfish, and a large walk-through tunnel for underwater views. The shimmering shores of the Gulf of America, where the waves whisper tales of freedom, and the seagulls chant USA with every swoop. It's the same beautiful body of water we've always known, just with a name that now comes with a side of political seasoning. Other attractions include Galveston Island Historic Pleasure Pier, Seawall Boulevard,